Hello, my name is Andrew Akpose. In this channel, I share my tips, design hacks, and trainings to help you design graphics that promote, build, and scale your business online using just your smartphone. If that aligns with your interest, please hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification. Also, rest assured, you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Here is another type of quote design that you can design, like the one you are seeing now. It looks very simple but attractive. So I'll show you how to design this. First thing, you go to your home page, then click on the plus icon to open costume page. Set your page dimension to 4000 by 4000 or 35 by 35 or 4005 by 4005 pixels. Then when you open your design, okay, this is a fresh page. Select the background. Let's change the background of our design. Then click on replace. Then under photos, search for blue gradient. You see the blue gradients that will pop up on your screen. So this is the one I want to use. That is the blue gradient I want to use now. So I'll select it. Once I select it, it will be placed on my on the background of my design. So the next thing, click on the plus icon, then go to elements, then select rectangular shape under lines and shape. I'll change this color to black. Then I'll use it to cover the whole of the background. I want to give the color a kind of a dark feeling, so I want to tweak the background color. So come to transparency, then let it be at 20. Okay, I think this is okay. All right, this is 20. Then lock the shape. So we have set our background, the background of our design. The next thing we want to do is to import. Come to the plus icon, then select a circle under lines and shapes. Select circle, then increase the size. Okay, place it almost half of the page of the design. Then come to color, change the color to white. Let me lock this also too, so it won't okay, let me ensure is at the center of the page. Come to position, then you can see it's not at the center, so click on center. All right, I've aligned it to the center. Then lock it back also again. Next thing we want to do, we want to add the picture frame. Come to the plus icon, go to under elements, go to frames, select see all, then select the right picture frame that I want to use this particular one, so that we can change the background and the border. So this is the one I'm using. This is the type of frame I'm using. So reduce the size a bit. Okay, then I'll come to, as you can see, it's going to bring out two types of color. This one is for the background, then this one is for the border. So I'll change both of them. I'll change this one, the background, to orange, to yellow. So use this same color I'm using, orange color or yellow color. Then the border color, change it to white. All right, then make sure you have, as you can see, the grid lines, the red grid lines will tell you how you are positioning your shape. So make sure it's at the center of the page. Let me come to position. Okay, click on center. It's at the center now. Alright, so I want to include a shadow, a circle shadow under this frame. So let me lock the design first, the frame first. Come to the plus icon, click on uploads, go to uploads where you have your shadows uploaded, then add the shadow color, the circle shadow. Okay, so I want to include this now to under the, I just want to give my design a kind of cool feeling and some life. Make sure you place it where, then send to, before you send, let me reduce the transparency a bit. Okay, I think 40 is okay. Then send to the back of the picture frame. Okay, this is at the back of the picture frame now. I think this is perfect. Then let's go to my image. Come to the plus icon. I want to import my image. Go to uploads where you have, or anywhere you have your picture saved. Ensure you have removed the background already. So I'll click on this. I'll click on my picture. Before I can place it inside the circle frame, I have to unlock the frame back. Okay, unlock, then drag it over the surface to add. Then if you want to adjust the picture inside your frame, double click. So make sure you are placing your picture very well. You can adjust it, double click and adjust, as you can see. Okay, then click on done. Done. The background has changed because the picture I use is a transparent background. So I'll go back again, then click on color to change the background back to yellow or orange. Okay, so I want to change the color of my pics. Come to effects, to filter, come to filter. Under filter, go to select the last option, street. So immediately it's going to change the color of your image. It will alter it. You can leave it at 50 or you can tweak it to your desired. Let me leave mine at 40. Okay, let me leave it this way. So that's that. Then the next thing I want to do, I want to start importing my text. Let me put my quote first. Then I have my quote saved in a place. Okay, this is it. I'll come and copy it, then go back to my design to paste. Go to add text, click on the plus icon, then select text, add a subheading. So edit, then paste. So then you can now drag it and make sure you fix it where you want it to be and fix it. So I want to change the font to Glacier Indifference. So I'm selecting Glacier Indifference. Now I've changed my font to Glacier Indifference. So change the color to white. Change the color to white. Okay. Let me change the size to 90. Let me use 90. Okay, let me make it 94. All right, I think this is okay this way. Let me reduce the size of my image a bit. All right. Okay, I'll have to adjust the shadow also too, that it will fit perfectly well. Let me lock the design again. All right, so I'll adjust my shadow. Okay, it's okay this way. Then adjust the quote a bit. Come to the plus icon, then go to elements, go to elements, another element, click search for quotes. So I want to use one of those quote sign, so let me just select this. Okay, I'll change the color to yellow, reduce the size a bit. Okay, I think this is okay. All right, so the next thing I want to do, I want to add the rest of the text now. Select this, duplicate, change the color to black, then edit, Andrew Akwose. All right, go to I'll change the font style to Brittany. Search for Brittany. You can type the name of the font you are searching for here, then search for it. It's going to bring it up on your screen. Then click on Brittany. As you can see, I've changed the size, I've changed the font style to Brittany. I'll make it, let me make this 125. I'll adjust and place it. Yeah, so ensure that, let me ensure that this is exactly at the center of the page. I want a center alignment. Come to position. Okay, it's already at the center. Let me duplicate this also too, then change the color to black font, then edit, okay, I design, I brand, and I teach. I want to reduce the font to, let me use 65. Change the style to 65. Okay, then bolding it, come to format, click on bold, come to format, click on bold. This is bold, so make sure it's at the center of the page. Let me come to the position, then I'll click on center. Let me move this down a bit, then my name down a bit. I think this is okay. Position, okay, it's at the center already. Then the next thing we want to do is to add my social media contacts. Before I add that, there is, okay, let me just add some spice to my design. Come to the plus icon, go to elements. Under element, let me go back here. I cancel to go back. Go to elements and select see all, select a rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. So I'll reduce the size. Let me zoom in. Oh, did I use the wrong rectangle? Seems we picked the wrong one. Let me go back again. Come to the plus icon. Why is that not going? Okay, let me select this. Still the same thing. No. Okay, I think this one has adjusted. Reduce the size, then change it to yellow just to add some okay, so I want to include my, come to the plus icon, go to elements, go to elements, and search for Facebook icon, I'll reduce the size. I'll search for LinkedIn icon also too. LinkedIn icon. Oh, I didn't type the text correctly. LinkedIn icon on that element. All right, so let me select this, then change the color. Okay, let me reduce the size a bit. Search for the last one I want to search for is Instagram icon. Wrong text. Instagram. Okay. All right, so we are going to leave it at let's just leave the font as it is. I mean the color of the icon as it is. Make sure the icons are of the same size, I mean. So come to this text, duplicate, edit. I want to type my social media handle now. So my Instagram handle is Andrew. Andrew Akpose. Let me reduce this. Okay, so let me make this 60. The size, let me change the size to, should I change it? Okay, let's leave it at that. Then let's remove the bold format. Okay, I think this is perfect. Then come to format, align to the left. Yeah, this is what I want. Align to the left. So let me move my Instagram icon here. You can see those lines. It's going to show you how to align your work properly. Okay, the next one. Okay, let me duplicate this also. For my LinkedIn is Andrew Akpose. Let me move this away. Okay, I think it's going to be okay at this place. As you can see, the space between the first the Instagram icon and my Instagram handle is 28. As you can see here, automatically is showing you that the space between this LinkedIn icon and my name is also 28. So this is how you can easily align your work and make your work very uniform and well aligned, as you can see. So I'll leave it that way. So let me group my handle and the icon together so it will be easy for me to move. Let me zoom in so that I can select them properly. Select the icon Let me select the text first, hold down, then select multiple, select the icon, click on group. So you can move the icon and the handle together easily if you, in case you want to adjust. Do same for this also too. So I have to ensure that they are properly placed where I want to place them. Then come to the Facebook icon also too. Duplicate this, then let me type in my Andrew Victor. Alright, so I'll align to the left. Align to the left. Let me unlock so that I can see the alignment properly. Okay. I can now group. Hold down, select. Group. I'll do same for this also too. Group. Now let me arrange them properly to make sure my design is well balanced. Okay, I think my Facebook handle will better. It will be better is at the middle, at the center of the two of them, because of the length. I want to create a kind of balance in my design. I want it balanced. You see how I'm using the grid line to align my work. So that is how you can also do that. As you can see, they seem very balanced and well placed in the design. They sit well. This is how you can design a simple quote flyer. The next thing I want to do, I want to include just a line just for, okay, come to the plus icon, go back to elements. Under elements you have lines and shape, click on lines. So I just want to add this line to my design. I want to use the nudge tool. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Let me ensure it's at the center. Come to position and click on center. Yeah, so let me try to change the icon, my handle to, I want to change the color of my handle to blue. Let me just use dark blue. Okay, I'll change this one to dark blue. You can also use the same color I use if you are not too sure of the color to use. So this is just a practice video for you to know how to design a quote design. So this is your quote design. After you are through, you can now go to download your design. So this is how to design another type of quote design. Thank you for watching.